Why is it cheaper? Hit by a car. Blocking you? I can go behind you. I can go behind you.
Pleasure to have you here, it's been very great to see you, not only you here,
all cars.
Here, the sun being fired up. Congratulations to the Pebble family. Thank you for bringing that road.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, amigos? Hello, everyone. We're at the Monterey Concur D'Elegance. You think you're going to give him a trophy?
Thank you, David. Congratulations.
Oh, here he comes.
I'm going to hand over to my friend Amanda now.
His wife.
Congratulations.
You got it? I got it. Where are you going?
The most elegant closed car is named for the couple who won our top awards event by ABS. Congratulations, Jim. It's such a pleasure to see you.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Has been made, and our 2026 Best of Show winner is waiting amongst the nominees at the start of the ramp. Now, as we prepare for the Best of Show celebration, Cabriolet from the Roberto Quiros collection from the Woodlands in Texas. So huge congratulations, finest automobile gathered in pursuit of the highest honour in the collector car world is an incredible accomplishment. But there can only be one Best in Show. Are we all ready to find out who that winner is?